Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you the possibilities of the production module in Kladana. Kladana is an easy to start ERP solution for managing purchases, production, and sales. The production module in Kladana helps to monitor processes, track stages, meet deadlines, calculate costs, and analyze every step of production. Kladana supports such kind of production. We won't describe each production type in this video, but we will show you the key possibilities. Let's see how we can organize production in Kladana. In Kladana, you can manage finished products and materials needed for production in an organized catalog. If you have make to stock production and start manufacturing based on a sales or a stock, you can check your stock report to see actual amount of goods and the purchasing management report to see sales data for goods and how much should be produced. If you have make to order production, you can check the available amount of goods according to the sales order, change the status of the order from to produce to produced. Create a production order related to the order based on the necessary quantity. After we click on create, the production team will receive a notification and get a production order for that item and the quantity. You can also create a production order using stock replenishment from the stock report based on internal order or manually in the production tab. Let's go to the production tab. Here you can see available options in production, bill of materials, production orders, operation reports, labor costs, routings, production operations, production progress reports. Let's check out production order. You see that we have bill of materials for t-shirts in our sales order. In Kladana, you can create a bill of material, a document which shows how the product should be produced. It contains the finished product, what will be produced based on it, raw materials that will be used in each operations, sequence of operations, and operational costs, such as labor cost. Also, you can set time for each operation using standard hours and use that to calculate the labor cost. Let's return to the production order. We see how many items we need to produce, the production volume. Once manufacturing is done, we will see the unit cost and the cost amount. In Kladana, you can also create a report to predict the unit cost of the products. Before starting, you can check available raw materials. The system will highlight which components you should purchase or manufacture. You see that we need to supply some materials. We can just click on supply button and then we can check whether we have it in other warehouses and choose how we'll fill the stock. I choose which transaction to create. In my case, it will be purchase order. Once I choose the method of supplement, the system automatically asks the supplier and how much quantity should be filled. After that, I click on create and purchase order will be created with all the necessary data. We can see the purchase order has been created with the products and the necessary quantities. In related documents, I can check to which production order it is related to. Let's imagine that we have received the raw materials and change the status from new to received. Let's return to the production order. Now we have all the necessary raw materials and we can start the manufacturing. Before doing that, you can allocate the raw materials to the committed stock and allocate t-shirts to awaiting stock so that they will appear in the reports as products that will be soon in the stock. Now we are ready to manufacture. Here we can see all the operations for each product and who will do them. Employees can be assigned automatically or they can be chosen from the list. You can also block some operations before others haven't been done. When you do the operation, you can add how much quantity was produced. After each operation action, you can check the operation report by clicking on the time and date. You can change the quantity of raw material which was used and add the necessary comments. So this is how the manufacturing process looks like in Kladana. If we return to the finished products tab, we'll see if there's any variance between the plan and the quantity produced, unit cost of the t-shirt, and the total cost amount. If we need detailed information, we can click on the raw and see how much raw material was used and the operational cost according to the bill of materials. Let's return to our sales order. We can see that the t-shirts are in stock and we are ready to ship. In Kladana, you can also check the process of manufacturing using two reports. In the report, you can check production volume, last completed operation, duration of the production, and work in progress. You can also check reports by operations to get a better understanding which operation is overloaded. That was an overview of the basic production flow in Kladana. What else you can find in Kladana? Shop floor app for production team with tasks, multi-level bombs for companies that manufacture raw materials and finished products, labor cost calculation. You can also find more videos about the advanced production on our YouTube channel or help center. Push your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.